Enabling two-factor authentication to FA on your World Bank Group Credit Union account adds an extra layer of security. Follow these steps to set it up effectively. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the World Bank Group Credit Union website and log into your account using your username and password. Step 2. Navigate to Security Settings. Once logged in, locate the Account Settings or Security Settings section in the main menu. Click on it to access your security options. Step 3. Select Two-Factor Authentication. In the Security Settings, look for the option labeled Two-Factor Authentication or 2FA. Click on this option to begin the setup process. Step 4. Choose your authentication method. Don't continue before doing this. A lot of online accounts end up exposed in breaches without people even realizing it. Use SROT to constantly monitor your email and accounts and get alerted immediately if your information gets leaked online. It scans billions of breach records 24/7 in the background. And honestly, for a few dollars a month, it's something everybody should probably have. Link in the description. Step 5. Confirm and save changes. After selecting your authentication method, you may need to enter a verification code sent to your chosen method. Once verified, ensure you save your changes to activate two-factor authentication on your account. By following these steps, you can enhance the security of your World Bank Group Credit Union account with two-factor authentication. Always remember to keep your contact information updated to ensure you receive authentication codes without issues.